Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkling Beauty Bee. Yes, my room looks very different because you guys know that I'm moving provinces, so it is a lot of work, lots of packing. Because it is holiday season, I'm also receiving a lot of packages in between the packing. So this package is from Esamorle and this is a ring I'm going to show you now. First of all, the packaging looks so gorgeous. I'm a big time fan of the Tiffany blue color and I love this packaging. And when I open this, look how gorgeous is this ring. This ring is sapphire and simulated diamond, round cut. I love the shape and the style, very sparkly. So if you don't know what simulated diamond is, I just want to explain you a little bit. They are made in a way that they look like diamond, but you can have them in more affordable price. And I think this makes a very good gift for yourself or for your loved ones. This is a really beautiful fashion piece. They actually have many different jewelry pieces. I loved a couple of them and they're in my wish list. They also have moissanite. If you're interested, go ahead and check that out. I have everything, all details in the description box below, and you can also get 10% discount. So do check the description box below. The quality is totally worth the price. Now I'm going to show you some more shots of this ring. Look at that. This shot is taken from my new place, new house. I have few more things to talk about this ring and then I'll show you my travel vlog at the end part of this video. So I think this ring looks so beautiful in colder weather, like snow everywhere, and this ring matches so well, just like a fairy tale. I wasn't really expecting this much sparkle. Like in the daytime when the sun is not even shining bright, it's like very gloomy days and the snow everywhere, but look at the sparkle. And under the spotlight, it's just a sparkle you cannot even compare with anything. It's so shiny. I love the fact how this brand is actually focusing on quality while keeping the price really affordable. I have added the link of this website in the description box below, and there you can see in the website that they have all different designs for different occasions. That includes wedding, engagement, different kind of bridal sets. They have like regular wearable jewelry pieces and they have pretty much everything, while you don't really have to empty your wallet. Another fact is that a lot of the time for everyday regular use and for traveling, we fear to use our very expensive pieces, and a lot of us actually love to wear something more affordable but still not compromising with fashion. In that case, you can totally get something from the website. They have beautiful wedding pieces and the quality is just so good. So this is my first piece. I'm so happy to come to know about this brand, and I actually see myself getting more pieces. Definitely I see myself buying a moissanite ring, which I'm so interested to try. I am showing you my ring from different lighting situations so you can totally have an idea actually how it looks, and hopefully it's pretty clear. So I love the fact that you can actually find a ring by its shape, and I love their emerald cut shapes. They have a pretty good collection. About sizing of the ring, I would say you can size down maybe one size or half size, because this ring is actually size 6, which is my usual size, but it fits a little larger on my rings. But that is actually good because for this design I actually wanted to wear in different fingers, sometime in my thumb and sometime in my index finger, because this kind of ring actually looks good in any finger, and especially when I take pictures I would love to put it anywhere where it looks good. So I love that it is a little bit loose for my ring finger, but it fits really good for my index finger and my thumb. So bear that in mind. And look again, I'm just showing you the sparkle. Like I cannot stop showing you the sparkle. I'm so obsessed with the beauty of the ring. I told you guys that when I first unboxed the ring, I was actually moving. So I was packing and all. So I was pretty busy and did the unboxing like really quickly. And I could not wait to open the box again, see my ring, and wear it properly when I come to my new place. So that's what I'm doing now. Ever since I got it, like I came to my new place, I have been wearing it every time, all the time, just because I love it. In this snowy cold situation, this ring looks so beautiful to me, and I'm just enjoying it so much. Another important thing I want to mention, that you can actually customize your ring. You can select any of the designs, and then you can request to change the stones, like any design you want, the sapphire, or you want any other like ruby color or whatever you want. You can actually mention, and they're going to customize it for you, which is very nice. And they have a huge collection of different shapes. They have round cut, this one is round cut. They also have princess cut, oval, pear cut, cushion cut, emerald cut, a hexagon. I mean, all different cuts. And you can also shop by style, so you can find halo rings, vintage, solitaire rings, three stone, side stone, pave. You can choose whatever you prefer. And for this ring, I love that the stone comes all around, so you can wear it in any finger anyway, and whenever you take picture, you just don't see the back part of the ring, you also see the stones all around, and that is the beauty of this beautiful ring. Please let me know what are your thoughts about this ring. What do you think about the brand? Let me know, and if you have experienced any of their jewelry pieces. So now I will be taking you back to my old place in Toronto, to show you how I packed everything for my moving and my flight experience. Now moving on to my packing and everything. So we got actually movers, and they're doing really great job. We packed everything, and then they are wrapping everything really nicely, so they don't break in the long distance moving. And these are a few of our boxes, more coming. I think this truck is going to get totally full because we're moving with our whole house, and that's a lot of stuff. It's already cold in Toronto. Here is our final day, 10 days later. Now we're finally moving. Everything is clean, and this is our luggage. We are completely ready for our airport, and in about an hour we will reach there, and then our new journey starts. We actually did professional cleaning as well to make our life easy, and so yeah, I can give you the contact number who helped us so much with all of this, and it was actually feeling kind of relief that finally everything's done, we're moving, and here I am at the airport finally. This is my first flight with two kids, so obviously it's a whole new experience. We are moving from Toronto to Saskatoon, so definitely it is going to be a life-changing experience. This time I took this Plaza Premium Lounge. I didn't have much time, but it was good enough for a little break. They have really good food here. We all family took some rest here, had some really good food, and it was really refreshing. We are taking this flight at the last day of the year. This is 31st of December, so there were a little bit of air traffic. Our flight was delayed about 2 hours, but overall the flight was really good. It is obviously a pretty long flight, almost 3.5 hours within the country, and then also we had 2 hours delay, so pretty long. But yes, finally we reached. Even though we have our apartment, but still we took the hotel room for first 2 nights because it's New Year, so we just want to take some rest and then go to our new apartment when our furniture also arrives. So yeah, that is all for today. Hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Stay tuned for my next video. Last time, I just want to mention one more time this ring. Look at that, Esamorle. Thank you so much for making such beautiful pieces. And I'm really enjoying my new apartment. More vlogs coming from this new place. So, coming soon with a whole new vlog.